Hello, everyone. My name is Tanvi Ajmera, and I'm a senior learning and development professional with over 7 years of expertise. More specifically, I'm a resume analyst and coach who can help you with creating a perfect resume, acing your interview with perfect GDPI skills. My question to all of you today is students, has the world changed? If I had to imagine the process of applying for jobs 20 years ago, I remember people handwriting their CVs and cover letters and going outside the office and dropping it or posting it. However, today we have amazing job portals which help employers and employees in finding each other. But has this further changed due to the COVID 19 situation? My next question to you is, are you relevant today? Given everything has entered the new normal, people are working out of homes, there is lesser chance of physical interaction. Are you doing something to upgrade and upskill yourself? Again, are you stuck on a CV with a cover letter? Times have changed, students, and now when it comes to recruitment, everyone looks at recruiting cream candidates and students who have something which is different about themselves, right? For the purpose of this, a lot of us need to start creating video resumes. That is the new normal given the situation we are in. Now, what does a resume do, right? Why do you need a video resume or resume in the first place? It talks about you, but with a video resume, all that you can do is everything that you have mentioned in your resume, you have a chance to talk about it. For example, when I say I'm good at communication, right? When it is a video resume, you have a chance to prove that you are actually good at communication. It gives an overall flavor and blend of who you really are and what your personality is. Except for this, video resumes are also used to apply at conferences or just in order to introduce oneself to the fraternity or to the members who are watching that video. We are conducting a workshop exclusively to prepare for how to make a video resume and GDPI skills. This workshop is happening on this Saturday at 4 p.m. exactly. Do register for the workshop in order to find out more details and in order to get into your dream jobs. Thank you all and see you soon.